Hey everybody, it's Neil, and my little terror dog has been ripping up pieces and parts of the baseboard and stuff around here, and so I needed to repaint that as well as over here. When I installed this, I got a lot of marks on there, so I need some painting. So I got myself a little painting tray kit, and I'll show you guys what it is. So it comes with, obviously you can see it comes with the tray for the paint. And then it comes with 3 brushes. So you can see here it's traditional kind of, paint tray place there. Comes with this big spongy brush here, which it's like a velvet, like it's got a million little, you know, things, little hairs sticking up. And then it's got a foam, and it looks like you could take it off if you needed to, I guess to clean it or something. Let's see, how would it come off? It'll slide off, so you can slide it off. And oh yeah, it just kind of loosens and tightens here with this, just to slide it back on there. It's clipped into place, and then we can adjust the angle as well with this little thing here. So kind of nice little device, little gadget, and then you'll put it in there and you can kind of wipe off some of the paint, like you use it. Comes with a little mini kind of brush with the same kind of little foamy little pieces there. I guess I would want to dust it off first, but then I can probably use that one for this little area here where it's small. And then you get a nice little corner brush here. So if you have some areas where you need to get into the corners, I don't really have any that I need to, but then you can use that one there. So really nice little kit with all 3 of these in here. And you get to use this. You can clean it up. I use water-based paint, so I'll just kind of clean it up in the sink and be ready to go for the next time as well. And it's nice. It's got some heavy duty, really comfortable to do. I mean, it doesn't have a long extension pole, but you could put a pole in it if you need to get higher. So that's what it's got that in there for. So really nice little kit. I like it. Thumbs up. I'll be using this shortly.